Huli. Pare, huli. Ang laki nito. Oh. 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 Jeez. Ay, ay, ay. Wait, wait, wait. Brad, tulungan niyo ako. Oh. Oh, this is a big one. Yun, meron na naman ako nasabitan, Brad. Oh, eto na naman. Oh, meron na naman. Ay! Dalawa na. Woo! One fine Saturday. Right. Yes! Yes! We go. Nice. Game.
Wala.
We are done. Let there be light. Bang!
Yo.
Yeah.
Diba?
So we're all set. Ha! We're all set, boys. First time using this one. If you're looking for good lights, you know, I got it from Amazon. Ayun, ang dami. Puso. Holy. Okay. Hello, guys. Welcome back to another video. Third time on the Red River, but this time we are at Seal Road. And, of course, my two buddies, AJ and then Aidan. At last, nagkasama din. So,
May absent.
may absent.
Don't forget to mention.
Yes, but anyways, today we're just gonna have a good time. And hopefully we can, like, you know, make up. What's the name? Minos. Let's try and see. Thank you. Ayan na yan. Puta, pinagkakagulan na yung bait mo. Dan, galing natin pumili, Dan.
Yung alit.
Huli. Pare, huli.
Oh,
Ang laki nito. Oh. 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 Jeez. Ay, ay, ay. Wait, wait, wait.
Ayun, lumalaban, oh. Holy shit, that's big.
Brad, tulungan niyo ako. Oh.
Ako yung mag-record.
Uy, this is a big one.
Ano yan, for sure. Bakit yan? Oh.
Oh.
Ano yan, gandun.
Pare, this is only like 8-pound test. Ay! God, ano to?
Grabe yung laban yun.
Like, what the hell is this, man? Oh my God! Look at my be. Nakakuha pang magaganon, eh, oh.
May angat, sobrang laki.
Sobrang laki. Holy! Itinatakbo niya, oh. Oh my God! Ano to? Pare, this is only 8-pound test. Natatakot ako. Pipitik to. Pero hindi, paguring ko lang to. Baka sirena to. Oh my God. Ilang minutes na kami naglalaban nito. Ano kaya to? Teka pare. Baka sturgeon to. Oh my God. First time to. Ayan na siya. Ayan na siya. Ayan na siya. Nasa labas na pala. Nasa ulo. Ayan na. Ayan na. Ayan na. Ayan na. I am not sure pare. Pero ayun na. Ay pare, ano kaya to?
Laki.
Anla. Dukutin mo na kaya Dan.
Ito, hindi ko alam kung yung bibig, hindi ko makita eh.
Yun o. Yun o. So. Oh.
Sa katawan mo siya makita.
Paano to? Oh. Pagod na siya eh, Brad eh. Hindi na lumalaban eh. Ano? Baring ko na to jacket ko. Dukutin ko yan.
Kung kaya mong dukutin, I was thinking, put another hole here.
O sige. Anuhan nyo. Dali. Eh, hindi ko na maano to. Hindi.
Oh.
I don't know what this is, but thank you. Kung if ever we land this, yeah.
Tabi na.
Oh.
Tabi na. Okay.
Ay! Oh, tinaman! Oh!
Ano kung saan nalalakihan ko to?
Ah! Ina, sayang yan! First time sana yun. Ay, sayang! Sayang! Pero okay lang. There's always a next time. Look at live scope, man. It's all red. Holy. Yun, meron na naman ako nasabitan, Brad. Oh, eto na naman. Oh, meron na naman.
Brad, I'm sure mailalabas
Ay!
mo na yun.
Ay, wala. Nawala. First fish, guys. Wala, maliit lang to.
At least. At least.
I'll take anything.
Anything.
But it's a munay. Oy! Up.
Ayos.
Cut bait.
Catfish bait. Ha!
You should try eating.
Yan. Munay.
Matindi.
Okay. First. Hindi na kami zero! Yun! Yun ang malaki. Yan ang malaki.
Pucha yan. Labas mo yan dyan. Uy.
Nice, El. Ay!
Oh no!
Na. Uy. Yun, malaki. Ito ang ayos. Ayos to. Or soger. Walleye, boy. Uy! Alay! Ah! Ow! First walleye of the game. The trip. First one. Sa ilalim. Sa ilalim lang sila gumagapang-gapang. Okay. 17, boys. Hoy. 17, man. You know. Ito malaki, pare. 8-pound test, baby. 8-pound test. Uy, ayaw. Nawala! Come on, man. Ay. Oh? Okay. Yeah.
Bakit umaano nung ano?
Anuhan pa nga natin yung butas, pare. Ulitin natin. O, lalakihan ulit. Ipababa mo lang. Mukhang hindi ka sumagad eh. Dan, ikaw nga mo ano, Dan? Ako hihila. Yun o.
Ano?
Ayun.
Nakuha mo na?
Hawa ko. That's weird.
Ayaw ko. Sayang yan.
Kanina pa ako pinaglalaroan dito, pare.
Wala pang agot.
Yan po. Wait, para to.
This is a big one, boys. This is a big one. It's a big one. Oo, baka kasi masyado lang light yung line ko. This is a big one.
It's a big sauger.
Big sauger. With a tungsten jig. Ha ha ha. Yeah. Oh.
Nice.
Maibigay kay Jeffrey. Yun na naman. What's the size of you?
Tungsten ko ayaw mo.
Bakit?
I don't know.
14 and a half. Meron. Pero sauger to. It's a sauger. Mang sauger. Pero maliit. It's a small one. Uy, hey, hey, hey. Oh, sapul ka sa bibig, di ba? Okay. That's a small one. Bye. Yun! Ayos! Nice, Real. Baka masyado maluwag yung drag mo.
Hindi.
Yun, walleye. Nice.
Nice.
Video. Oh, yun.
Yeah.
Nice. Ayos. Good job.
Okay, Mike. Musunod.
Huli.
Kaya Mike.
Ay!
Galing.
Hindi sumabit ka na naman.
It's,
Ay!
no, it's,
Meron ka rin?
meron din. Oh, yan ang malaki yun, kay Ariel. Ay, hindi. It's the same.
Same.
Oo, same. Sandali.
Okay.
Dumikit.
Okay. Ay, golden ba yan? Kala ko.
Gold eye.
Kala ko ano, pika rin.
Ito siya, gold eye.
You. Meron?
Another gold eye, boys. Oh, dami na nating catfish bait. Ito, malaki to.
Malaban.
Malaban si Pogi. Wala ito. Sama eh. Gold eye na naman. Ang daming gold eye. I am the gold eye king of the day. Oh. Poink. Gold eye again. Yun na, kinagat na. Kinagat na ni Pogi. Ay, malaki to.
Ganda ng hole mo, Mike, ah.
Yeah. It's not an ass today. Unlike last time, malaki to, boy. Boy, malaki to. And it's a big one. Look at the mouth. Yes! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Yeah, boy!
Just look how he ate that. Oh.
Dun, 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 dun. More likely 25 max. 23.
23.
Okay, 23. Okay. All right. 23 inches. Ooh, 23 inches. Pa-picture naman. Ayan ang cellphone ko. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you for biting. Thank you. Hey, so thank you very much for coming with us today. That's what I said in the intro. We are at Sill Road, and we caught a good amount of fish. So not the daily limit, but we caught a few good ones. Better luck next time.
Next time.
So yeah, thank you for joining us. See you all on the next video, and Happy New Year to each and every one of you. Next time.